It's 1 year plus.
Okay, today's what date?
Today is 7 May 2019. This is the 1 year plus.
Syrian.
Syrian hamster.
Beautiful, yeah, this one. Okay. Okay, where's your complaint? Which part of the skin?
This part, the top here, and then also the side. I find that at the side here, they are white stuff.
This part, ah?
Yeah, then if you flick, you can see white stuff.
Yeah, let's see. Put here on top. I think so, yeah.
Yeah, you can see all the white stuff.
Yeah, these are scales, scales. Some more. She's been biting here. Some more this side also.
Because last time the top here used to be very beautiful, the skin.
Okay.
Then I find recently like botak like that. Don't know whether he keeps scratching.
Okay,
yeah.
you see where the charge, this charge of the past.
The
Really?
kidneys,
No, not too much.
Put here, put here so that I can focus. Yeah. No more, right?
Yeah, she clean it no more already.
How about the sand gland? Yeah, it's biting. Put here, put here, put here.
Sand gland? What is sand gland?
No, the back side.
Oh. That one is normal, right?
No, that's not normal. That's biting. She bites it. Yeah.
Oh.
Check the ears. Ears okay now.
Yep.
Did she scratch the ears?
I don't think so.
Okay. Okay. Go. Put here. Put here. Always put here because I cannot focus. The turn upside down. You see the stomach here there, the gland. Appetite is okay, right?
Appetite is okay.
The sand gland, no. Yeah. This one don't have.
Some gland is on the size.
Does she bite or not? Because
No,
those
he
are
doesn't
usually
bite.
bite.
He doesn't bite. Yeah.
Those are dandruff.
Dandruff, huh?
Not. Because it's dry. Come, let go of your hand. It's dry and dried
You
up.
can't bathe for them, right?
Can, but
Can bathe,
warm water, yeah.
Oh, use warm water and bathe.
No, you put in a bowl, warm water, then you put the hamster leg run across. You know, a small bowl like that, warm water. Not too high, just below the neck. Then you put it in. Then if you want to bathe him, then you just let go of your hand. Then you just wash like that. You know, like this small container like that.
Oh, can, huh?
But not too high, otherwise you drown.
Just warm water.
Then you give them the shampoo already.
No better.
Then you just apply the shampoo to wash it.
Oh.
I think that's the best of the green shampoo. Then other than that, that's why I say 7 days you will know the results. You have a small bottle or the cloth hacks. The best is the shampoo, the fungal shampoo.
So the shampoo just squeeze one drop in the water.
Use either that or use a facial cotton bud. Then you rub on it.
Oh, put on the cotton bud, the
And then
shampoo, and then
rub
just rub
under
on it.
the white dandruff area. And after that, rinse off with another plain water or boiled water. Because the danger of you bathing the hamster is that suddenly gets stressed.
He gets stressed, huh?
They don't know. They thought you're going to drown him.
So want to bathe or don't want to bathe?
I said, the danger is that he's not used to water.
Yeah. I don't want to stress him. Then he very naughty. Then he went under his water bottle, no? Then I think he keep touching the water bottle, right? Then the whole front all wet. When I found him, I quickly bring him out. I used tissue paper and dry him.
Where? Which part? The whole body?
No. All the front part here all wet.
Your water bottle dripping, is it?
No, it's this type, ma. He just go there and touch.
Oh, yeah.
So we
Play
place
with
it this way. So he always go there and drink. So that day I
It's
found
too
that
low,
he was under it, and then
Is
he
it too low?
Maybe too low, huh?
Too low.
Let's put higher, huh? Oh, okay.
Too low that he cannot reach, so he wet himself. Maybe the backside is wet over time.
Oh. Okay.
Sometimes it's
No,
due to...
only that day. Only once he's wet.
Once you notice, but how about the other times you don't know?
No. I normally see him every day. I see whether
Is there another hamster or not?
No,
Is there
only
another?
one. Only one. Want to drink?
No, now he's too excited.
Yeah.
So you go home first.